may paputok na naman, then we smelled and then I was already watching TV, hindi ko na ma-contact. And then tumawag yung usaan na, sir, confirm na may shooter na hanggang dun lang. By that time, tumawag na si Sec Remulya calm everyone down, but we're on our way, so napapasukin kami. So we agreed on a objective, comprehensive investigation. I expressed to the President, who was a senator before he became President, Sec Remulya, that of course the safety of my colleagues is very important, but integrity din ng Senado. The building is more than a building. In fact, it's not even our building, it's DSIS, but it represents the democracy of our country. So I'd like to thank you, kayo din sa media. No? I know you were also confused, but you decided to stay. So in the next few days lang, make sure lang na hindi tayo ma-infiltrate until we get to the bottom of this. No? So the OSAA and the PNP under the direction of myself and Sec Remulya is now going floor by floor, and we'll do the same sa kabilang building. We won't say any more operational details, but we will try to make sure na safe. I'll be here tomorrow. That's if I go home tonight. No? I'll be here and we'll brief you further. We'll stop there. Pasensya na po kayo, we'll stop muna sa details. Mahirap po na iba-ibang magpa-interview. So I'm directing the staff not to tell a lie, not to tell the whole truth, and to make sure that we cooperate with the PNP in their investigation.
But who are these armed men and where are they now?
We still have to determine through CCTV.
In their investigation.
Who are the shooters and how many,
Armed men
sir?
and where are they
How
now?
many shooters, sir? How many?
We still have to determine through CCTV footage kung ilan talaga sila.
Opo.
So, we cannot answer that with any beginning.
Sir, pero
Paano po
Usaa, sir,
nakapasok?
una nagpaputok. Sir,
Paano po
Usaa.
nakapasok?
Sir, Usaa yung una nagpaputok, warning shot.
Warning shot, sa ating warning shot, and in their retreat, they started firing into the air. That's as far as we know. Okay? That is not conclusive. We still have to review the footages.
We'll stop at the word suspect kasi pag nilabel namin yun, meron ng conclusion na rin yung
But they're-
but
Initially,
we told Sec Remulya kung sino ang suspect, kung ano suot, kung ano sinasabi nila kung sino sila.
Perceived NBI daw? Perceived NBI,
FBI,
sir?
perceived FBI.
No questions, no, it's okay questions, but forgive us because we don't want to say something na hindi mabawi. If government did this to government, we are in trouble. And I want, there is a presumption of regularity na hindi to gagawin ng kahit anong agency sa atin. Having said that, from the President down to the secretaries, ilan na rin silang tumawag, assure us that magiging independent at no holds barred yung investigation.
Perceived NBI po ba yung nakapasok?
Nasaan na sila ngayon?
Please do not ask questions that are illegal.
Pero sabi po
But where
kasi
are they now,
sa
Secretary?
Sir,
Do
Secdo.
not ask questions that are illegal. Please do not ask
Senator
questions.
Bato de la Rosa, how is he, sir?
Not done yet. Let me talk to you. Senator De La Rosa has been informed that we are doing a sweep of the building. He has informed us that he wants to rest in his chambers. He is safe. He is with the security personnel. He has been informed of our activities. We have assured him that there is no warrant of arrest to be served. I am here to ensure the integrity of the Senate and to the protection of all the senators. Please.
What's the, walang motive pa, sir,
We
kay
cannot ask questions of any detail because we do not have answers for that.
Even kung paano po nakapasok, sir?
Yes. And kung nasa na sila?
Sir, wala rin nag-pursue, sir, walang nag-umabol.
Protection ng number one
One reason we cannot tell you, ongoing pa. Ongoing pa, there's two buildings. So it's ongoing and we don't have to also, what you call this, telegraph dun sa investigation.
Pero-
We're all doing what we can. And USAA is there, the PNP, the Chief PNP, binigyan ng specific instructions.
Pero sir, as we speak lang, sir, wala pa, sir. Kahit isa, sir?
Senate is safe, sir?
the floors. We are sweeping all the floors. We have asked those.
So far, yes. I'll decide mamaya. But so far, kasi nga dumating yung articles of impeachment at may meeting nga coordination ang lahat ng heads. Having said that, may I also appeal to any of you or anyone in the Senate, kung may videos kayo na you think it will help the investigation, submit it to us. Kasi maraming allegation, maraming denial.
We have FB Live, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
Please submit it to those kung meron kayong videos, please submit it to those for our investigation. No one was under custody. Wala pa rin.
Sen, how about the articles of impeachment ko? Kamusta?
We will, it's secure, nakaalis na rin yung mga taga-house. I just assure you, kung ano na sa constitution, ano sa rules namin, may precedence din to. This is the first time, maraming speculation, pero meron po yan. But I will be interpreted to be talking politics, especially katabi ko si Secretary. So I'll just assure you, kung ano ang rules, kung ano ang constitution, anong batas, anong precedence, susundin natin.
Yes, is the Senate safe? Is the Senate safe?
We're making sure that is now, but I can tell you, especially for me, that I feel na cargo ko yung lahat ng empleyado at lahat ng mga senador, lalo po yung walang kamalay-malay dito. It was, you know, I don't know how to describe. You know, and at first, you know, you get the whole point in time. You wouldn't know that's the right. That's why I had unless may nasa opisina. Inside the...
You are all here right now?
Yes.
We were complete sa
Majority.
13?
Except chief.
12.
Anyone from the minority there. Parang wala naman yan. Unless may nasa opisina. Inside the...
You are all here right now? Yung 12? Nasa loob pa?
Yeah.
Except for Sen Bato.
Yeah.
Senator Bato.
How about San Robin?
Yes, also here. Also here. Pagod yung dalawa kasi they've been here the last 3 days.
Magsisiuwian po ba kayo, sir? Or dito lang
We'll
kayo?
coordinate muna with the PNP.
I will.
Advice lang.
It is my duty to ensure the safety of all the senators.
Okay.
Whether it is safe to go home or not, I will make that call.
Okay.
And I will make sure that they are safe to go home.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Salamat po.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
At inaabangan yung paglalapit ng mga articles of impeachment kasi talagang determinado kami mag-convince ka agad para walang masabi yung tao na nagtatakpan o dinidelay. Gusto namin na tanggapin na yung articles of impeachment. Andun kami mahinahon na nagkakaupos na nag-uusapan kung ano dapat gawin. Biglang ang balita, pati daw si Secretary, si Mavic Garcia, nakatanggap din ng abiso na umalis ka na dyan, makakagulo. Bakit alam nila? Kaya ako nagtataka, ang balita si Senator Lore nakatanggap din ng abiso. Pero ayaw naman niya maniwala, ayaw niya